Surgery in the span of a week, and all my core area, like all the muscles and everything, were cut. So to sit down for like more than like an hour, I'm usually starting to cramp up, and because I've got no muscle to hold it together, and then my back starts to ache. Just to compensate for the stomach and everything. And when we first started, everyone's first started sharing, I still felt a bit, and I was like, no, I'm just going to keep believing. And then just a couple of minutes ago, I just went, hang on. And standing up, it's like that whole, I just want to crouch down like that, but it's like, oh, I can sort of stand up, walk around, and yeah, it feels like it's holding itself in where it's not, like I feel like my stomach's going to go.
Wow, you're amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
It's wonderful, isn't it?
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
During the congregation healing, it started and the pain was still there and the discomfort, and at the end of it I realised, hang on a tick, it's gone. And then I've come this afternoon thinking, here we go again, I'm going to be sitting there for a long time, and I was really uncertain whether I got my healing totally, but I've been sitting there this afternoon and the stomach's been fine. It's very painful, it feels like, my stomach's going to fall out, and it's just, sometimes it hits up, around at 8, and you're just sitting there like, I've got to lie flat. I'll often go out and say to people, I've just got to go lie in the back seat of the car or something. I've got to go horizontal for about 10-15 minutes, just lie there, let the stomach settle down. But I've been sitting, like I said, I sat there for most of the meeting after that had happened, and it was fine. And then just this afternoon...
No, it's the same night, it's no pain, no problem at all?
No.
So for how long was it there for?
I had the surgery back in February, but being recovered now since having the last lot of surgery, about a month or two.
Wow.
And having that, sitting there and you're driving along, because I can now finally drive after a few months.
Well, that's great.
I get really sceptical because I start thinking, oh no, it's going to come back, but it hasn't. So.
Now, Holy Mum, now.